How to view or download IFTA reports in FMS. Begin by logging into the Fleet Management System, FMS, for seamless access. Click on IFTA to access the IFTA feature. Kindly note that the IFTA feature is only accessible through the Premium Plus plan. Under IFTA, select Reports to view or download IFTA reports. The Active Trucks tab will display all currently available, added trucks in your account. The Deleted Trucks tab will show trucks that have been deleted from the account. Choose the specific truck for which you want to view or download the reports. Select the desired date range for the report. The report will be displayed, showing details such as the truck, state, distance traveled in each state, and admin added gallons and amount. Optionally, you can download the report in CSV, Excel, or PDF format for further analysis or record keeping.